In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create AI thumbnails to Minecraft videos. So the platform that we're going to use is Novoads AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to go to the image section. And these are the settings that we're going to use. So now here, we are going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And here in title, we need to put the title of our video. For example, the best Minecraft gameplay. And in the text overlay, this is what will appear in the thumbnail. For example, here it was history goal. So let's put the best game. And in the reference image, I'm going to erase this. Because now, in reference, I'm going to upload an image of Minecraft. You can upload an image of your video. So now let's click here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the result. And as you can see, the quality of the thumbnails are really good. Personally, I like it a lot. My favorite, it was this one. So if you want to do thumbnails like this one, remember that the prompt is going to be in the comment section. And I wanted to tell you that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, see you in the next video.